All right, welcome back to another portfolio update. And it's been a tough week, a tough month. As you guys can see, I'm sure your accounts are pretty much similar to mine. Hopefully, not too bad. So today we did minus 292 with $100 back after hours. So we're still down on $200 about for the day. For the week, we are down 786. The 1 month, 1257. 3 months, come on, switch over. 5,000, 4,994. Eesh, that's 10%. Year to date, down 1231. The 1 year mark, 1107. And the only green that we see is overall since we started this account back 20, I think almost 5 years now, or I think 5 years. Yeah, May 2018. So 2018, we're up 20%. Not a lot. We were up a lot more than that in the past. As you guys can see, if I switch it over, up 57, 64% at the peak. Even some of these days here, August 2022, 37%, 13,000. So the good thing is it's still green. Bad thing is it's not that much. But here we are. What I'm going to keep doing is I'm going to keep adding to the portfolio like I do every week. So this week I added $150. I have left over $22 of after purchasing what I purchased. I'll show you guys what I did. So as you guys can take a look here, everything is pretty much red. One of them that picked up today after hours because of earnings was Intel. Here we are, Intel. $2. I'm sure it's going to drop. It hit a little bit over $2. Let's see here, 243. And I have 33 shares. Average cost 33.36. So overall on this holding, I am positive, not by a lot, only $37, but it is positive and pays dividends, of course. Also, LTC came up after hours, 42 cents. I have 27 shares. But on this one, I am negative, minus 128. But we do receive a dividend payment from them every month. So let's go into what I bought today. So I did add in more JEPQ. I didn't really average down as my average cost is under the price. So we are positive, and let me show you guys the purchase so I can be transparent with you guys. So I did spend $135.29. 3 shares at the price of 45.10. So it's 45.18. So I made a little, I mean, not that we made money, but it's up from what I bought it at. They are paying a dividend every month. They're pretty strong, I think, on the dividend payment from what I've seen. Let's look at the history real quick. Dividends here. All right, so sorry if you guys hear an airplane above. I am recording this in my car and it's near an airport. So just so you guys know, sorry about that. Okay, so their dividend payment has been pretty consistent, right around 45 cents there, 41 cents. It does fluctuate every month. 36 there, 35 there. So it looks like it's been going up. 48 there. So it goes up and down depending on how they do. So we did buy 3 more shares. So that's going to be a little bit more. That's like if we do 45 cents, about a dollar 40 or so for the month. So they pay every month. 37 shares total, not bad. And that was the purchase for today. That's it. I think the rest of the money I might toss it into Microsoft. I do buy fractional shares of Microsoft. I have 2 shares in 2.09 shares, up 189. My average cost is 237. I wish I would have bought more when I started adding Microsoft. Look at that, 237. And they had some good reports come out. That's why it peaked right here the past couple of days, but then it kind of stabilized and went down again. There it is. You guys can take a look. Their earnings report came out. It was pretty good, better than Google's due to their AI and all the stuff they're doing, the cloud. So they're down to 328. I mean, that's the month or if you look at the month, they're up 16 bucks. 3 months, they're down. Year to date, 35%. That's huge. 1 year, 41%. Look at that. 5 years, up 200%. If you would have bought back here, 117 bucks. Jeez. Max, of course, it's gonna go crazy, but past five, even 1 year, 41% return. Wow, Microsoft. So I do add, 10, 20, 30, whatever I have extra, I added it to Microsoft. So I might do this with Robinhood. I can buy Microsoft, I think, into the late hours. So I can do that later. But I think in the late hours, you can only buy one full share. You can't buy fractional. So I got to look into that. If not, I'll buy some tomorrow morning, see how it is. No rush on that. Oh, yeah, let's go over the dividend payments that are coming in. So just to show you guys what's coming in. Like I said before in my previous videos, check those out, please. I need some more views. And hit the like and subscribe if you are not a subscriber, please. Okay, so yeah, we had Coca-Cola 552. Like I said before, this month is not the greatest month. I'm trying to hit 300 every month. I think this one might even be close to 200 or even under. So UGI, Iron Mountain, JEPQ, JEPI with almost 60 bucks. Altria, which is MO, they kind of took a huge hit today because of their earnings. They're saying people are buying cheaper cigarettes. Look at that. Boom. Dropped. Oof. That's an ugly one right there. I am down now, 127 on there. But it's okay. I don't mind. So people are spending their money somewhere else on cheaper cigarettes than what Altria does for everybody. Anyway, so I'm still going to hold Altria. AGNC, Main Street, Realty Income, 18 bucks. Stag, Tesla, or Tesla's, whatever you want to call this, ETF, 13.94. Hopefully they keep paying 57 cents. That's insane. And what is the percentage that they're paying? It's crazy. The I don't even know. It doesn't show anything here, but they're paying a lot. That's a big dividend payment. PSEC, and then coming in we have SPHD with 8 bucks, ARR, QYLD with 53.38, and LTC with 5 bucks. So I think just by looking at it, I don't think that's even 200 bucks. I know it's easily over 100, but not even. I don't know. Either way, I will post on my website as well a detailed amount of the money I made for the month. That includes everything. Um, but I think I missed last month, so I got to retype. I got to type that blog post, and then I do one for every month. I do a video as well, detailed. If you guys want to check that out. Next month we have Verizon, AT&T, and AbbVie already on there, so that's at least what is that? 50, close to 60, 55 bucks, right? Yeah, almost 60 bucks. All right, guys, what's going on with your portfolio? Let me know. See, now we're down. After hours, it was 100 bucks. Now it's 86. Um, yeah, it's a little painful these days just to even buy or put money into it because every week we're seeing the money I put in, you know, money goes out. So I put in 150 bucks for the week, and now we dropped 800. For the month, I put, whatever I put, 600 bucks total, down 1,200. So whatever I put, it's doubled out or down. But the way I see it, I keep buying shares, averaging down, and getting those dividend payments to keep going up every month. Um, and just so you guys know, this is not the only account I have. I have a personal account as well that I don't share, and other investments in real estate and things. But just hopefully this motivates anybody or somebody into investing in something. So then in your future, you have some side money coming in, even if it's stocks, dividends, or something else. You don't want to always keep working for someone. And this is just advice from experience. Don't always work for somebody or like they say, exchange time for money. You want your money to work for you. So always try to make every dollar count and think about buying junk. Try not to buy junk or wasteful on things that you shouldn't waste. Um, Just think about it. Let me know what you guys think. Any ideas that you guys do to save money, like don't buy certain drinks, coffees, certain companies, even though we own Starbucks. Some shares, it helps the shareholders, but as an investor, try to use every dollar you can to put into a company or make it work for you. Anyway, sorry, I'm getting into this rant about money. That's what we talk about here. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks.